Want a way to nurture thankfulness in your grands and in yourself? Let's make a My Blessings Tree Thanksgiving craft. Have your child lay their hand on a piece of construction paper, draw around their hand with outstretched fingers. This is going to be the trunk and the branches of the tree. Cut out the hand along the line. I'm going to glue your handprint onto another piece of paper that isn't the same color. Looks like my tree's blowing in the wind, doesn't it? And I've made this easy shape like this to make my leaves. Make them large enough so that you can write on them, and then it doesn't take too many of them to cover up the tree. Lots of pretty colors for fall tree leaves. You can have some of these cut out ahead of time. With the leaves already cut out, it makes it a really fast craft. Encourage your kids to think of things that they are grateful for, things they're thankful for. And you know, even if things are challenging, there's always something to be thankful for. We have food to eat. We have a house. We have friends, and they might want to name their friends by name. What are some things that you can encourage your kids to be grateful for? And then we glue these leaves onto the tree, and you can keep adding to this over the Thanksgiving season. This could go up on the refrigerator, which is always a wonderful place to put children's artwork, right? And encouraging that idea of gratefulness all the way through the season. I love Thanksgiving, but I don't want to skip from the thanks part to the giving part of Christmas without really thinking about all the things that we're grateful for. So I love the My Blessing Tree Thanksgiving craft for this purpose. From welcome to nanas.com. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.